In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dress expensive with a focus on the latest 2025 Shein haul. To get started, we're going to head over to the Shein website. Once we're there, you'll notice a vast collection of both women's and men's clothing available, ready to help you elevate your wardrobe. It's always amazing how accessible fashion has become, and Shein continually provides a platform where you can explore a plethora of fashion-forward options. Now, in the search bar at the top of the page, you want to type in dress expensive. This might seem straightforward, but the magic lies in how these keywords can instantly direct you to a curated selection of pieces that look luxurious but are budget friendly. The search functionality is key here, enabling you to streamline your browsing experience and pick the right options without wasting any time. Once you've entered the phrase, a list of outfits designed to look high-end will appear. Scrolling through this list can feel like embarking on a treasure hunt, but stay focused on what catches your eye immediately. This is where knowing your style and what suits you becomes crucial, helping you avoid being overwhelmed by the numerous choices. As you browse through, pay attention to the fabrics and design. These are the elements that can drastically change how expensive an item looks. Look for pieces with clean cuts, monochromatic schemes, or intricate details that mimic high fashion. The idea here is not just to grab anything off the list, but to critically assess which items have the qualities that emulate luxury. Once you've shortlisted items that fit your style, it's time to add them to your cart. To do this, simply click on the cart icon situated next to each product. This step allows you to compile all your selections in one place, making it easy to review your picks and ensure they complement each other. When adding items to your cart, you'll also need to select the size that works best for you. Shein usually offers a helpful sizing guide to assist you, so take advantage of this resource. Ensuring the right fit is essential because ultimately even the most expensive looking outfit loses its appeal if it doesn't fit well. By following these steps, you'll have a collection of outfits that look expensive without burning a hole in your wallet. Remember, dressing well doesn't always have to mean spending a lot. It's about making informed choices and investing in pieces that give off a sophisticated vibe. So, there you have it. Give these steps a try next time you're looking to refresh your wardrobe, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we continue to explore the fashion world together.